Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to use Canvas discussion boards on a computer. I already logged into MyCoast and went to Canvas, and I chose the class that I wanted to look at. Now I'm on the home page. So from here, I need to go to Discussions. Click that. Now it will open up all of the discussion boards for my class. Right now, there's only one. If there is more than one, make sure to select the correct one. So I only have one choice here. I will click it. Okay, and now it opened the discussion board. So for me to make a reply, I can click here, Reply, and make sure to read the instructions. So this says, for your first discussion board, post a response answering the following question. What is one thing we may not know about you? Okay, so I can type my reply. One thing you may not know about me is that my sister is my best friend. She lives far away in Pennsylvania, but we talk on the phone every day. I miss her very much. Okay, make sure to read the instructions carefully because sometimes the instructor will say how long your post needs to be or if you need to include anything special. Here, this is a very simple assignment. There are also some other things you could include if your instructor asks. Look down here. So you can change your font if you want to, the color, the size. You can underline, italicize, bold. But you can also come here to More, and there are some cool things that you can do. Okay, here you can add a link. If you click here, you can add a picture, which is pretty cool. If you click here, you can add media, audio or video. So let's show you as an example. If I click Upload, Record Media. All right, you could either bring an audio file or video file you already recorded here, or you can record via Canvas. Just click this Record button. And then if you have a webcam, it will show your face. And you can click Start Recording to record. All right. So sometimes your teacher might want you to post a video on a discussion board. Also, you can add a document here as an attachment or a table. So lots of different options that you can explore and see what your teacher wants you to do. When you are finished typing or adding your video, you can click Post Reply. All right, so here someone replied. Now, if you want to reply to another student, for example, I will reply here as myself. Click Reply and type your response. Okay, this is a discussion board, so unless your teacher tells you you need to be formal, sometimes you can be more informal here. All right, when you're finished, you can click Post Reply. Okay, and now you have a little conversation going between two students. You can also like what someone posted by clicking this button here. All right, there's more that you can do, but those are the basics. If you have any questions, as always, ask your teacher or the adult education staff to help you.